Alright, this is just a short video to annotate the internals of the 1088 XEL. This is the XEL CF3 with F-Series chips. It's the compact flash interface. This here is the SiO2 PC right there. Various cabling connecting to the lid with the status indicator. And we'll put this on in a second. This is the video board XE. It's installed. This is your RGB interface. These are your two joystick ports. That is your UAV. Here is the U1M, the ultimate 1 megabyte. This is the compact flash interface for the CF3. And then this is your disk swap button, and this is the indicator light that the disk swap is active. Various ports in the back, which are all labeled and fairly self-explanatory. I'll do a proof of life video in just a moment, but I wanted to do this one while it was opened up.